Hello children, this is your third video. The political condition in India during the early medieval period. In the early medieval period, northern India was divided into a number of kingdoms. These kingdoms were in constant conflicts with each other for the expansion of their kingdoms. There were many kingdoms in South India too, of which the Chol kingdoms was the most powerful. Their kingdom extended up to the Coromandel and Madras. Later, during the 9th century, the Chol kings made Tanjore their capital after defeating the Pandya rulers. The Chol rulers divided their kingdom into different units for efficient administration, consolidated the economy, and gave uh, patronage to literature, art, and architecture. They had a very powerful naval fleet. In 1025 AD, the Chol kings Rajendra I conquered Malaya and Sumatra Island. The Chol kingdoms had trade relations with China and countries of South Asia. In this topic, the political condition in India during the early medieval period was the Chol was the most powerful kings of this period. In the medieval period in northern India, the Chol kings were the most powerful rulers. They extended their kingdom Coromandel to Madras, and in the 1025 AD, the Chol king Rajendra I conquered Malaya and Sumatra Island. The Chol kingdoms had also the trade relation with China and the countries of South Asia. This is the political condition of India during the early medieval period. Now, Europe in medieval period. The condition of Europe in medieval period. The decline of powerful Roman Empire in Europe began in the 5th century AD. In many places, small regional powers emerged. These small rulers, in order to maintain their powers, used to give a piece of land, feudum, instead of cash salaries to officers in return for military help. The word feudalism comes from the Latin word feudum, which means a piece of land which is granted in return for services. The people who acquired such lands were known as feudal lords. These feudal lords were responsible for the security of their feudum. They used to live in castles. The feudal lords had absolute power over their peasants and workers. They lived a luxurious life and often treated the peasants very badly. The serfs were the largest and the lowest social group in the medieval European society. They led a very miserable life and could not raise their voice against the atrocities committed on them. They in the Europe medieval period in Europe, the powerful Roman Empire was arise in the 5th century AD, and in many places small regional powers emerged. So in this at this time, the feudalism was increases in the feudalism, Britishers. They ruled the common people very badly, and they no one can make a voice against them. So the main feature of the early medieval period in Europe was the development of feudalism. The result of feudalism was the emergence of serfdom. This cast a dark shadow on the society of Europe at that time.